Hi everybody, here's a short video to explain you how to make your own dry cured and smoked duck breast. We start by buying a big fat duck breast. Get something as local as possible, do not compromise on quality. First step is to trim a little bit this bad boy, just remove the excess of fat from the side. Next, we will cook it in coarse salt. Get your salt without nitrites nor additive, okay? This is the cooking known as by burring. We will see the cooking by salting under vacuum in the next video. Place it in a Tupperware that closes and leave it in your fridge at a rate of 24 hours per kilo. Here, my duck breast is around 470 grams, so I let it for 12 hours. Note that this is very important to weigh your breast before putting it into the salt. Let's rinse it under cold water, dry it, and we're gonna let it rest 12 to 24 hours at the bottom of your fridge. You can also massage it with the spices of your choice, pepper, paprika, chili, and so on. Here we will make it natural. Now the smoking. I simply use my gas barbecue, turned off obviously, with a smoke generator that will consume the beech wood for 5 hours. Monitor the temperature, which should not exceed 20 to 25 degrees. Next step is the drying. Just get a small electric wine cellar. It just needs to be ventilated. Temperature should stay between 10 to 13 degrees Celsius and hygrometry between 65 to 75%. The goal here is to make the breast lose between 30 to 40% of its initial weight. Wait every 3 to 4 days, and when the weight is correct, we can go to the final step, the tasting. The breast smells very good, slightly smoked but not too much. After, it depends on everybody's taste. It has a nice color inside, the drying looks very homogeneous, without crumbling on the side, and the taste is just amazing. I love it. Don't hesitate to try to do it at home and to follow us not to miss any video.